bagong gising. Wow! Good morning! We are here at Bagak, Bataan. Sobrang tahimik at wala masyadong katao-tao. It is Sunday, so may nagmimisa around dun sa area na yun. Well, bakit gusto mo sa malayo?
Nalabas ka ng bahay, doon pa sa malayo. Lumayo ka na.
Sinusundan ka, oh. Malilipat kaya? Ay, hindi. Ikaw talaga sinusundan. Sa Balanga pala kami, hindi pa sa Bagak.
Pakapal lang siya ng sabaw.
Dito na tayo sa may Las Casas Pilipinas de Ocosar. Ito, nandito tayo sa labas ng Casa Binyan. Dito bali yung aming tour guide. Dito yung simula ng heritage tour. Then, ito yung isa sa cart nila. Mamaya yung check din namin yung activities. Then, dito din banda yung Italian restaurant. Mamaya pagkatapos daw ng aming heritage tour ay kakain kami sa Italian restaurant nila dito. Nasa loob kami ng Casa Binyan. Hinihintay na lang namin yung aming day tour. Wala pa yung aming tourist guide. Ito yung schedule ng kanilang heritage tour. From 8:30 until 4:30 p.m. Nandito kami sa set na pinag-shootingan ng General Luna. Tapos parang dito siya Tama ba? Seems familiar itong setting na to. Parang ito yung pinag-shootingan ng General Luna. Tapos dito yung may sumilip na matanda. Buhay pa ba yan? Tapos dito lumabas si General Luna at nagsisisigaw siya.
Ayan, so bago po tayo magsimula sa ating tour, magandang umaga po muna sa inyo lahat. And once again po, welcome po sa Las Casas. So by the way po, ako po si Mark. So ako sa po yung apelido ng may-ari. So nagsimula po sila mangolekta ng mga sinaunang bahay in year 2000 at pinuksan po nila itong resort sa publiko in year 2010. So 10 years in the making po at ngayon nga po 15 years in operations na itong resort. And then yung pagta-transfer po ng mga bahay dito, hindi po ito naging madaling proseso. Kasi po bawat bahay, pag-aaralan muna. Gagawa po ng documentations at saka po ito mabaklasin piece by piece, block by block, and column by column. And then yung mga nabaklas po na bahagi ng mga bahay, dadalhin po sa resort at muli po itong bubuin base po sa kanilang originalized struktura at mga disenyo. At yung mga original houses po, ipinapangalan na rin kasunod sa lugar kung saan po ito nanggaling.
Dito kinulong yung asawa ng may-ari ng bahay na to ng 4 na taon daw. Ayan. Sa sulok na ito. Siyempre siguro sa panahon nila, nakakaumay ang makulong sa bahay. Ganito yung kalaki ang kwarto ko. Tapos may laptop na dito. Ay, dito na lang ako. Kaya mangga. Lagi na ako Ito ang itsura kapag sisilip ka sa kanilang bintana. Yan. Tapos dito yung kapag titingin ka sa ibaba. Tapos may nanliligaw sa'yo.
Ito lang dumadaan yung mga
Yung alalay. Wait, may tawag dito. Nakalimutan ko lang yung tapalo. Yun yung trivia na may share ko. Alam ko dito sa mga gantong hallway, dito dumadaan yung mga alalay. Tapos, kasi, bawal di ba bawal sila pumasok basta-basta? Oh, ginoo. Ay, ang ganda. Kita nyo ba si Jad?
Kaya so by the way po, for our next house, so this is our Casa Quiapo from Hidalgo Street, Quiapo, Manila. And then now, here I would like to show you the old version of our CCTV. So we called it as CCCLIP. You will see a small square on the ceiling, the color white one. So that's the cover of the CCCLIP, or the peeping hole. So the owner of this house keep on that hole to seal the visitors downstairs. If the visitors before are welcome to enter the house, so the owner, they're going to pull the rope to open the door. But if the visitors before are not welcome to enter, so the owner of this house, they're going to pour a water or urine to avoid the visitors. Especially for the debt collectors. This house, Casa Lubao, it served as a Japanese garrison or a Japanese headquarters. Because before the World War started, Japanese army sent a Japanese spy here in the Philippines, and unknowingly, one of the drivers of the Arasio family was a Japanese spy. So that's the reason when the war broke out, this house became their garrison or headquarters. And before they have this train, so after there is your house, they will burn it together with the family living in the house. So there will be no evidence left. But when the Japanese army started to put a fire, the Japanese colonel opposed it. Because the Japanese colonel was also the driver of the Arasio family. And because the couple had a good heart, they treat the driver as part of their family. That's why for the exchange, the colonel makes sure that there will be no harm that will happen to them. So that's the other side of the story of Casa Lubao. And then now here in Las Casas, the ground floor of our Casa Unisan, that's our Filipino restaurant, that called Kusina ni Nanay Maria. And then, that color light gray house in the middle, so that's our Casa Mexico from Mexico, Pampanga. And that's the only house here in Las Casas that wasn't found on its original location. Because the different parts of the house was already found dismantled on a junk shop. And for them to reconstruct that house, they use its old photograph as the basis. So that's our Paseo de la Escolta, replica of a hotel in Escolta, Manila way back 1900s. Because Escolta, Manila, that's the shopping capital of the Philippines before. But in our present time, our shopping capital is Mega SM. And then if you notice, on the roof, there's some crown-like structure. The crown-like structure called acrotarion or crown calados. If the house bears an adornment, it symbolizes that the family who lives there are prominent and rich. Pang mayaman po yan.
Papalagay tayo.
Pero huwag niyo na po sasabihin sa kapitbahay, utangan po agad kayo. As our Casa Cagayans are one of our accommodations, good for honeymooners. Because they said that there's no creaking sounds inside that house. This is the last house, and get ready for next stop. Casa Luna, that's our museum for the antique collection of the Acosar family. And so by the way, for our group, this is the bulada that I'm telling you earlier. This is not a hallway around the house. This is the passageway for the side servants. Yes, like what I said earlier, so the reason why they use this side, because they're not allowed to walk inside. Yes, and they're not allowed to serve in front of their masters. We're not allowed to go down using these stairs. As you can see, very steep and narrow for our own safety. But if you're going to ask me why the design of the staircase before very steep and narrow, because they said that the Filipinos during the time they're not so tall. Even Dr. Sarasan, our national hero, they said that his height are around 4'11" to 5'1". And how about this one on the floor? Do you have any idea what is this?
Plancha.
Plancha? Any guess?
Plancha.
Plancha rin. So this one, binago na po. Joke lang. So again, this is the first flat iron of the Filipinos. And we call it Prince sa Tipaa. So if you want to use this flat iron, so first, you have to roll your clothes in this cylindrical object. Then your foot here, then here. Just hold on the wall for a balance, then move your body side to side. Yes, because before we don't have electricity, that's why the Filipinos during the time, they use their body weight, force, and friction to straighten the clothes. Then how about this one? Do you have an idea what's the purpose of this?
Lagyan na ng mga kumot.
Lalagyan ng mga kumot. How about you, sir? Do you have an idea what's the purpose of this? Yes, so this one, this is the first luggage or suitcase of the Filipinos, the ancestor of Louis Vuitton, and we call it tampipi. Paggamit po ng babae, tampipi. Pero paggamit po ng lalaki, tapipi pa rin. Huwag yun At your side or on your head. But if you want to visit Hong Kong Disneyland during that time, this is the one you have to bring. Yes, this chest. And then because we have a foreign guest, I'm going to show you the first rice cooker of the Filipinos. Yes, this one we call it harinola. So it's a bed pan for urine. The Filipinos before they love using bed pan. Because most of the washroom during the time are located outside. So instead going outside, especially at night, they use bed pan. But for this one, as you can see, it has a small hole. You have to become a sharpshooter. And then you can open the whole thing. Yes, so as you can see, the old toilet bowl, it has 2 holes. Do you have an idea why it has 2 holes?
Para sa bayo mo kasama.
Yes, so inabot ni sir. So this, before the Filipinos, they use the restroom at the same time as their bonding moment. Holding hands while pooping. Yes, for example, madam, you're constipated. So sir, you have to sit next to her for moral support. And if you live far away from the river, do you have an idea how to decompose your poops during that time in a fastest way? Kinakain ng isda. Pag malayo po kayo sa ilog. So before, underneath, the pigs are waiting. Yes, don't panic. It's organic. So again po, I'm Mark, and this is Las Casas Pilipinas de Acuzar, our pride in the past and hope for the future. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Sana po napaniwala ko kayong lahat.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wala po ba akong dugo?
Alam mo yung napapansin ko sa damit mo? Either white, black, brown, blue, o cream. Pero wala kang yung mga color, red, yellow, bright colors like hindi. O ba kasi personality mo kasi. Siguro alam mo talaga yung mga dark. Feeling ko sa personality mo yun, my love. Baka ayaw mo lang yung ganong color. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. You eat first. Hindi na ginamit yung Anong lasa?
Ulit, dapat ganito.
Kasi nakain ko. Thank you. Okay, explain your dish. Yung kanya, marinara spaghetti. And this is mine.
Kami yun.
Gusto ko tikman mo muna. Tikman mo. Ay, nalagyan ng hotdog. Dapat lang muna para malaman mo yung lasa talaga. How to eat like that. Anong lasa mo? Kasi tasty. Sarap naman. Nilalag ko ba to?
Ha?
Nilalag
Pwede mo naman lang yan.
O, sige. Ito ay pepper. Ito ang paggamit ng, ano ba tawag dito? Pepper MX. Ganyan. O, lagyan mo ng ganyan. Ganito pala siya. Ikot ng ganyan. That's how you do it.
Finally, nandito na kami sa aming room. By the way, guys, magba-voice over muna ako kasi matutulog si Jad. So, eto, as you can see, super spacious ng aming kwarto. Here, merong vintage lamp. Then, a modern TV na hindi naman namin gagamitin the whole stay namin dito sa may Las Casas. Tapos may dalawang pairs of slippers. Pero hindi din namin ginagamit dahil gusto lang namin magpaa. Then, ayan. Meron din ditong cabinet na may lamang rep. Wow, taray naman. Tapos, ang laman ng rep ay may orange. Nilagay ko po yan, pinalamig ko lang po. Then, dito, binuksan ko at wala ding laman. Tapos, over here sa table, meron tayong kettle. Then, 2 tray of coffee. Then, 2 bottles of water. Then, here naman, yung banyo na super excited akong ipakita sa inyo. Ayan, sasarado ko muna to surprise you. And 1, 2, 3, wow! Kinabog pa ang aming room sa super laki ng kanilang bathroom.
May ko kanina kasi natutulog si Dad. So, ito yung loob ng kanilang bathroom. Sobrang laki. So, ito. Sumula muna tayo. Pagkapasok nyo ng pintuan, sobrang laki. Dito yung dalawang tuwalya. Tapos, meron silang sabon, faucet, na yung isa yata malamig, yung isa yata mainit. I'm not sure, pero ayan. Tapos, ayan, ito yung mga toiletries nila. Tissue, shampoo, toothbrush. Tapos, ito ang maganda. Merong bathtub. Laki ng bathtub natin. Ooh. Wow. Ayan. Tulad sa sinabi ng tour, kapag mag-jowa, may sariling toilet ang mag-asawa nga daw or mag-jowa. Ito kay ate girl, na to sa lalaki. Ayan, tapos nandito naman yung shower area. Tapos, check nyo yung ceiling. Sobrang intricate ng design. Love it. Diba laki? Tara na, may loob. Ayaw mo pa. Check natin. Uy, ba hindi ko na siya mabuksan, Pangga? Meron, nilalak ba to or something? Ayun. Ayan. Bagong gising. Wow, ang ganda naman sa part na ito. Ang ganda ng view. Oo, parang hindi ko ma-imagine na pag to sobra-sobra na yung dami ng tao. Parang hindi na siya maganda.
Dito.
Second floor. Oh, I like it. Sobrang liwanag. Parang nag-dry yung buhok. Yan. Ito yung mga accommodation nila dito. Bali, nandito kami sa parang building number 6. Then, ito yung front beach. Ayan, may dadaang jeep. Ayan na, hintayin natin yung jeep at papara tayo. Papara? Ayan, nandito ulit kami sa Casa Lubao. Mag-aabil kami ng activities.
Anong oras ko ka?
Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Nag-bike tayo. Saan yung preno? Saan? Okay. Wait lang, init. Mas better dito mag-bike. Flat. Marunong pa pala akong mag-bike. Akala ko hindi na ako marunong. Ang ganda. Tahimik. mag-shoot dito? Mag-picture? Look at here, my love. Say hi! Hi! Ang ganda. Sunset na. Okay lang naman to dito, di ba? Ayan, ganyan. Chining! Ito? Saan? Ito? Ganyan. Dalhin ko sana yung kit lens pero 18 to 55 lang din pala yun. So basically, yung ganyan din natin. Ay, maganda nga.
Doon ka dali, may ginagawa.
Anong ginagawa mo? Masyadong malapit. Parang hindi ako sanay na malayo ka.
Araw sa ulo.
Ang ganda, my love. I love it! Panoorin natin si Bangga.
Meter.
Bitter. Okay lang ba? Ako nga dati naka 4 moves lang ako eh. Tapos pinatayo ng ano. Pinatayo sa... I mean, ako yung pinakaunang tumuyo sa chess tournament. Ako kahiyaw yung 10 seconds lang ata yata yung laro na. Pero hindi naman yung kaya. Yung pala, ang kalaban ko pala pang ano, defending champion. Eh ako baguhan. Ay, okay mo naman. Tanggap niya naman kayo magkatalo. Hindi mo tanggap yung magkatalo mo. Ay, ito yata. Ano ba ito? Los Casas? Ay, ano ba yan? Sige nga, liputin na lang. Mamaya magugulat na naman tayo sa rami ng ano. Sa rami, charot. We order some kinilaw. Tapos ito lechon. Then, biryani chicken. Rami! Kasi, ina-expect kasi natin, ano eh, konti lang sila mag-serve. Hindi, alam mo kung bakit ganyan, Pangga. Kasi sa, ano, Filipino culture kasi natin, sobra-sobra tayong mag-ano. Di ba kumain? So, kaya tayo.
Sarap ba? Sarap ko nila. Dito gusto ko kinilaw. Dito gusto ko kinilaw. Kasi yung kinilaw na walang ang kumbo. Yun na sa akin yung sabihin, masarap yung
Pagkakalas. Ayan.
There I was in the base of the ship, just riding my own without even knowing what love's alive for all about. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I feel. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I know beyond existing, and it all began when I met you.
May ba yung ganyang klase ng bahay? Or ano talaga, modern?
Iwanan na natin sa ano yan. Marami kaya pwedeng puntahan na doon. Pero ayoko nang gawin na araw-araw.
Naalala.
Iba kasi yung vibe.
Ayan po yung Casa Binondo. Grabe, kung titignan natin, siba sabi daw nila, parang kinuha nila yung mula sa, ano, Binondo. May nakatayo na ba yun? Parang familiar din tong bahay na to. Parang pinagsettingan na siya somewhere. Ha? Dahil sa ano, sa, ang tawag dito, sa hagdanan? Alam mo, natutuwa ako na parang may hagdanan yung, ano, papuntang second floor kaagad. Ayaw mo yung ganyang klase ng ano. Yung parang living room natin talaga second floor na. Tapos lahat ng ano.
Sa baba.
You know, tayo ba ay magtatanan na? Lagot ka sa tatay ko. Bakit tayo naglalakad ngayong gabi? Nilalayo mo ko sa aming kasa. Andun yung kasa ko. Ay, hindi. Gusto ko yung ganong kasa. Ayun yung sinaunang garage. Cringe ko, my love. Okay na. Tapos tapos meron na akong naka white dress na ako, tapos may bulaklak. Tapos nakabarok ka. Ganda ng color ng bahay niya. I like the color. Did you enjoy, my love? Ayun kay pangalan na? Kay Ed ba yun? You like the view? Ano daw ni Ed kay Rose?
Jack?
Jack? Yung you like the view? I like the view. Nye! Nakapaano kaya tayo? Sabal-sabal. Uy, under renovation. So, done na kami sa aming first day dito sa Las Casas. Kami babalik na. Balik na tayo sa room. Sakit na pa ako. Ngayon, nararamdaman ko na may love. Get na kami. Diyan ka sa kapila. Bro, wakit din siya. Para sabay makaakyat. Make sense. Make sense. Tulog na tayo. Wow! Parang tayo lang yung tao dito. Inano natin, nirentahan natin yung buong